It's the Becky and Boca Show, coming to you live every Thursday night at 6 p.m. from glamorous downtown Boca Raton. I'll show you how to live life in style in one of the country's most elegant cities, nestled right along the beautiful Atlantic beaches between Palm Beach and Miami. So sit back, relax, and let me show you how to indulge yourself Boca style.
Okay, can you, you were telling me during the break about when women have plastic surgery to the face, sometimes it interferes with the hairline?
Absolutely.
Okay.
So plastic surgery like brow lifts and facelifts certainly leave you with a scar. Now, hopefully the scar has been placed in a location that's not visible, but in many times we see scars that are becoming visible due to hair loss. So, for example, if you have a brow lift procedure, maybe the old-fashioned way with an incision in the brow, where you have hair, and then you lose hair later on in life, 10 or 15 years later, all of a sudden that scar becomes visible. So we can fill in that scar with hair if we need to.
Because they cut some of the hair out? Is that what they
Well,
do?
in the old-fashioned brow lift procedures was an incision here in the temples,
there.
and then they pull the hairline up and stitch it together to give the pull. Now, today, most people will have an endoscopic brow,
yeah.
right? So there's no big scar left behind, but it also can distort the hairline.
Oh.
So if your hairline is distorted from a brow lift, we can replace that with hair transplantation. We can lower the hairline with hair transplantation, literally one hair at a time. But it usually takes about a session or two to restore the hairline through transplants.
Now, I've also heard that sometimes they'll cut here and you lose that hair, like this part here, right?
Correct.
Because they're pulling that back?
Yeah, that's correct. So that's the sideburn area. And sometimes with the facelift, if you're pulling the skin of the face back towards the ear, the sideburn gets sacrificed if you don't preserve it. Now,
you know, I never thought about that until someone told me.
Yeah. So some surgeons will preserve the sideburn, and that's a good thing.
Right.
But again, many times it was just ignored or sacrificed, let's say, to get the end result.
Because they're pulling the skin and excising that?
Correct.
Okay.
And so we can put the sideburn back, just a little dainty sideburn for women or a big, thick Elvis one for men. You know, it doesn't matter. You know, we can do whatever you want, you know.
Okay, that's interesting.
Yeah, for sure.
I'm here with DrAlanBauman, hair restoration, hair transplant surgeon. I want you to tell everybody where your practice is, how they can get in touch with you, all that sort of thing.
Sure. So we're located right in downtown Boca Raton. The 11,000 square foot facility is on South Dixie Highway between Camino and Southwest 18th. But the easiest way to find us is on the web at baumanmedical.com or call us at 844-GET-HAIR.